disable the command prompt, which is very common in most of the networks, right? We can just create a new policy and say disable command prompt cmd, right? That's the new policy. Edit, right? Where would we have command prompt? And this is not for the computer, we are just disabling it for users, right? We don't want users to access the command prompt. So this should be under this should be under Windows administrative. Maybe let's go on the system and have a look. Should be somewhere here. I'm sure that this should be under here. Here we should see under system. Let me see. Let me have a look. Oh, here we go. Prevent access to command prompt, right? So what we do, we disable the script processing, no, right? So we don't want to just do any changes, so we say disable, no, not disable the command prompt, right? If you disable the policy or do not configure it, users can run. So enable and disable the command prompt script processing also, right? Script processing, if you disable this, what happens is sometimes if you have a login banner message or some script messages, then you can't then get those messages. So we are just going to disable, we're going to say no. If you say yes, then none of those scripts all will work. Remember, most of the time the bad files will be loaded through the command prompt. So we are just controlling the command prompt access from users, but we will let the script files to run. Apply. Okay, now I need to apply this policy. So I'm going to apply this policy because I logged in as a teacher. I'm going to apply under teacher. Okay, so let's go here, do results update. Right, so it's updating the result. Updating the group policy. Let's see what happens. Yep, now you can see disable CMD is there. Right, now this is where it's getting interesting. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this. I'm going to log out and log in. Right, so now we're logging as a teacher, right? So the recycle bin because the command prompt and stuff. So I know definitely that's just because of that. Let's go and open CMD. Right, what does it comes up? Command prompt has been disabled by the administrator. Press any key to continue. So what do? Press a key, gone, boom, right? The command prompt is disappeared, right? CMD, if you want, you can run as an administrator. You have to enter the admin. So that's only the administrator can take control of it now. Now it works because if you see who am I, it says administrator. Because I logged into my command prompt only as just administrator, right? So we have disabled the command prompt for the other users. So that's how we configure command prompt. See, we can't, it's gone, right?